Hi, second grade families. This is Mrs. Becken. I am one of the Title I math teachers at Monarch, and I am here to share with you a strategy that you can work with your child at home to help support them with adding two-digit numbers. So if I have the equation 35 plus 28. So in second grade, we use place value. So we have tens and we have ones. So if I'm building the number 35, I can show that 35 using tens, 10, 20, 30. So these three sticks represent 10, 20, 30, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the number 35. Then I'm going to build 28 because I'm adding 28. So I'm coming down here, 10, 20. So this represents 28. Now I'm going to I'm going to try to fill in this 10 frame, and you'll see why in a minute. I like to make my second number I like to color in the circle, fill it in so I can see the difference between 35 and 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you can see, I built 35 and I built 28. And up here we tell the kids, oh, look, that's a 10. We made a 10. A 10 does not belong in the ones place. So we are going to regroup. We're going to regroup it. We used to call this carry. We carry the 10, but we regroup the 10, and the 10 goes into the tens place. So I could count this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 63, and I like to pull the 10 over here to regroup that 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 63. Or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. I have 6 tens and 3 ones, which makes my answer 63. Okay, so this is using place value to solve. I'm going to solve that same problem on the back using a different strategy, which is called decomposing. So we'd like to move them from place value blocks to decomposing. 35 plus 28. So if I have 35 plus 28. So I'm going to decompose both numbers, just like I did with the place value blocks, into 30 and 5. Just like I did with place value blocks, I had 30 and 5. And then I have 20 and 8. I can decompose into place value. Now, just like I did with the place value blocks, I'm going to add my tens together. 30 plus 20 equals 50. Then I add my ones. 5 plus 8 equals 13. And we can use this strategy if students don't just know that offhand, which they probably don't, they can count on. So I like to count on from the greater number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I counted on to get 13. Now I have to combine, just like I did with the place value blocks, I have to combine my tens and my ones. Some students might off the bat know 50 plus 13, but others might need to decompose that into 10 and 3. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 3 is 63. Now, if your student's having a hard time with this, if they need to draw the place value blocks 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 13, 10, 1, 2, 3, they're allowed to do that. If they need that support, that is okay. So I know that my answer is 63. So these are two strategies that we work with students on in class. When we get to adding three-digit numbers, we will be using the same two strategies except with three-digit numbers. I'll have another video for you when we get to three-digit numbers. All right, thank you. Reach out if you have any questions.